Hello and welcome to Bike Zone, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we have an exciting review for you, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660. This bike has been making waves in the motorcycling community, and we're here to give you an in-depth look at what makes it stand out. Let's dive in. The Tuono 660 legacy. The Aprilia Tuono 660 has already made a name for itself as one of the most impressive middleweight naked bikes on the market. Now for 2025, it's back with subtle updates that push the envelope even further. The Tuono series has always been known for its high-performance capabilities, sporty handling, and aggressive styling. And with the 2025 model, Aprilia has refined the formula without sacrificing what makes the Tuono 660 such a beloved machine. Design and styling. One of the first things you'll notice about the 2025 Tuono 660 is its striking, angular design. Aprilia continues with its bold approach to styling with sharp lines and an aggressive front end, reminiscent of the larger Tuono V4. The bike's sharp headlights, low-slung tail section, and muscular fuel tank create a presence that demands attention. Despite its aggressive stance, the 2025 Tuono 660 retains a sleek and lightweight profile, weighing in at just 187 kg, 412.0. Making it easy to maneuver both on city streets and winding mountain roads. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Tuono 660 is the 659cc parallel twin engine that delivers 100 horsepower and 67 Nm, 49 pft of torque. This engine provides a smooth yet thrilling power delivery, offering a perfect balance for both daily commuting and spirited weekend rides. The 2025 model features updated ECU mapping that improves throttle response, resulting in a more refined riding experience. The engine's strong mid-range power is what truly shines on the Tuono 660. Whether you're carving through tight corners or accelerating on a straight stretch, the engine pulls smoothly and effortlessly. The 6-speed gearbox ensures precise shifts, with the addition of an optional quick shifter for seamless upshifts and downshifts. Chassis and handling. One of the most impressive aspects of the Tuono 660 is its agile handling. The frame, constructed from lightweight aluminum, offers a perfect blend of rigidity and flexibility. Combined with a 41M front fork and a rear monoshock, the suspension setup is optimized for sport-oriented riders. The 2025 version includes updated tuning, making the bike even more responsive to rider inputs. Whether you're slicing through tight urban traffic or taking on twisty back roads, the Tuono 660's handling is precise and confidence-inspiring. The improved suspension adjustments ensure that it's comfortable enough for everyday use, but also capable of handling aggressive cornering and high-speed stability. It's clear that Aprilia has fine-tuned the Tuono to meet the needs of a variety of riders, from those who crave sport bike performance to those looking for versatility. Technology and features. In terms of technology, the 2025 Tuono 660 doesn't fall short. The bike comes equipped with a 5-inch TFT display that provides clear, easy-to-read information, including speed, revs, gear selection, and fuel levels. The display is customizable, allowing riders to choose the layout that best suits their preferences. One of the key updates for 2025 is the inclusion of Aprilia's latest electronic suite. The Tuono 660 features a fully adjustable ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, and a comprehensive suite of rider aids. These include traction control, anti-wheelie, and cornering ABS, all of which work seamlessly to enhance safety and performance. With the advanced electronics, riders can fine-tune the bike's behavior to match their riding style and road conditions. Comfort and ergonomics. When it comes to comfort, the Tuono 660 strikes a fine balance between performance and everyday usability. The seat is slightly raised and narrow, offering good support for most riders. The handlebars are positioned for a natural, slightly aggressive stance that's not too committed, making it easy to maintain control on longer rides without feeling fatigued. For 2025, Aprilia has made minor tweaks to the ergonomics to improve rider comfort, especially when navigating urban environments. The overall riding position remains upright and relaxed, ensuring that both short commutes and longer tours are enjoyable. Price and value. With a starting price of around $10,000, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660 is positioned as a premium offering in the middleweight naked bike segment. It competes with rivals such as the Yamaha MT7 and the Kawasaki Z650, but what sets it apart is the sheer level of performance, technology, and refinement. The added features, such as the upgraded electronics, suspension, and power delivery, make the Tuono 660 an appealing option for riders who are serious about performance but want something that's practical enough for daily use. Conclusion: the 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660 takes everything that made the previous models great and builds upon it with meaningful updates. With its sharp styling, exhilarating performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Tuono 660 continues to offer an exceptional riding experience that combines sport bike thrills with everyday practicality. If you're looking for a bike that's as comfortable on a twisty back road as it is navigating city streets, the Tuono 666 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for tuning in to this review on BikeZone. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more reviews, news, and updates in the world of motorcycles. Stay safe and ride smart.